Hey guys, so today I am going for coffee with Tara. We're off like work for the week because it's just a bit stupid, but you know, as those of you don't know, I do work a summer job as well as in like YouTube and everything because you know, gotta get that coin, you know. So that's so cringe, but I'm just gonna show you what I'm wearing. It's like very simple, it's pretty basic. It's like the same t-shirt I wear like all the time because I'm one of the people that when I get something that like I really like and I feel comfortable in it, I just like wear it all the time. Same as this shirt, like I wear this shirt like all the time, as you probably know from my videos, but I'll just quickly show you now. And just also don't pay attention to like, you know, the stuff on my bed and stuff because as you can see I'm still doing the paneling in my room. I'm doing that wall and that wall today. I'm not really going to show you much because you know I want it all to be a surprise for like my room reveal video, but whatever. So yeah, I'm wearing this pink top that I got on Top Man, this, you know, little chain here that I've had for the past like year. I wear it all the time. My ripped jeans. I literally, guys, I've had these jeans for like 4 years. Not even exaggerating, and I wear them all the time, just like my go-to like kind of jean because they like fit me perfectly and they're so comfy. And then obviously like, you know, Chelsea boots because I love Chelsea boots. Like they're my thing. I love them. I wear them like more than like anything in my wardrobe, like even if it's sunny outside. So let me wear my Chelsea boots, and I also have on like my bracelets here as well because you know they're my favorite. And like I mean, I'm gonna get as much use out of this bracelet as I can because you know I spent enough on it, so it's just gonna be like on my arm till I die. But yeah, so I'm just gonna head to the door. It's such a good mood to say it. Like I'm actually like so happy. I don't know why, like the past few years I've been kind of like a bit down, not gonna lie, you know, because the weather has been like miserable, so it's been like very grey and like overcast outside, so I mean that's probably why. But I'm just like in such a good mood today. Like I had a video I put up yesterday, but like literally guys, work has been so crazy busy like that I didn't even get time this weekend, like not once this weekend, to work on YouTube at all, which like kills me because like it's, you just makes me so happy, and I hate working a summer job, but you know you gotta do what you gotta do, you know, it's all part of it, and hopefully it'll all pay off one day. But you know, until then, just gotta suck it up and just carry on. But yeah, so like I've just been so busy, and I put up a video this morning on what would JMC do, and I'm really happy it turned out. Like it took me a while yesterday to do because then videos normally tend to take like a long time to do because like there's a lot of Photoshop, you have to do a 3D model and edit it, and then yes, it's a lot, but you know, I enjoy it. And yeah, I've so much like, you know, exciting things planned though that I want to do with my channel. Let me just stand over here for a second. Like I was there, I can't remember who I was talking to, but I was in work and it was like really quiet, so I was talking to my little cousin, and I was just saying like my plans like for the coming year, like room transformations and stuff like that. But not only room transformations, but like where I want my channel to grow to. Not just like numbers and stuff like that, but like content, like what kind of content I want to start incorporating in my channel. It's still gonna be like interior design related, and maybe might go a bit more of a fashion kind of side of it, might put more of that kind of stuff in it because I do love fashion. It's just that like, you know, because I buy clothes all the time, but you know, anyway, that's off tangent. But like I have some really cool things planned. I just want to tell you about them because you know I want it all to be like exciting, but like it's gonna be, next year's gonna be like crazy, like because if I'm at the stage where I think I'm going to be by this time next year, like I'll definitely be able to do the stuff that I want to do. But yeah, so when you actually say like now that I'm thinking about it. But yeah, I'm just going to head out now. Oh god, it's sick. Okay, how can you be miserable here? Like look, that's like the ocean, like right there. This is my walk to my car. Just watching the ocean. So, hey guys, how are you?
Elton Button in the background.
Oh, we're just finished up our lunch in the Beehive, and yes, check my glasses. Very trendy. Oh my god, actually shoot me. In the Beehive, and we're going up to Queen Sheba ourselves up on the hill. Oh yeah, so let me just update you what we've been up to, because I haven't like vlogged at all in like when's the last one I put up to New York? When's that the last time I vlogged? But we went and we seen the, oh Jesus Christ, I almost kind of front of me, the Elton John movie, The Rocket Man. The Rocket Man, and like, who knew? Sorry, first of all, that Elton John had such good songs, like I never knew. And yeah, I've just been like kind of obsessed, so like
Oh, I love it.
So I've just been a bit obsessed. Wow, that's like seriously dark.
We got food in the beehive.
Yeah, it was so good.
Vegetable soup and
I got a
coffee.
I got a soya vanilla latte.
Soya vanilla latte. Arsehole.
And a what? It's gold.
Such an arsehole.
Yeah.
That's good.
It's good. That's like not even on my tongue, that's on my mouth.
I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm not a vlogger.
Oh yeah, my mate, you're in the frame, aren't you?
I believe I am.
The focus of attention right here.
Yeah, you give me the camera, that's what you get.
Yeah. Deal with it. But yeah, so that's what we done, and it's a gorgeous day today. I was a bit stressed out yesterday. Tara wanted to have a wine night, but you know, yeah, we'll just get a quick look at the view there, little sheeps.
Lovely view.
Of the cliffs. Yeah, we're in.
We're coming onto the Cobon Highway now.
Yeah. Home to herself.
I'm not going to show you which house is mine, just in case, you know.
Privacy, just could you imagine?
Get kidnapped.
There's a random knock at the door. Hello. But yeah, these are all holiday homes here in the lakeside, and these are also holiday homes. Are they holiday homes, or that's like just like a housing estate?
Yeah, that's the links in. Okay, well, we'll check back in when we do something interesting.
Yes. So Maeve, how are you? How are you feeling today? I get it. Oh, you get a vlog of it, Maeve. Just run there.
Come on, shoot. That's it. Thank you. Mary had a little lamb. We're like Chris Jenner. You're like,
oh no.
Run at the dogs. Run at the dogs. No, they're probably bold. Yeah, but they're the ones that bite. You can pretend we're like press or something, like describe your acting experience. Stopping random people. Describe your acting experience. Looks really. Oh wait. Do you want to get under it? I'm like Toronto Keem.
And here we have Toronto Keem. St. Patrick is said to have blessed Miss May, promising that no one would ever drown in its waters. Let's test that. So if you're wondering where we are, we're in Keem Beach.
Here with Tara Kelly, Laura, and of course, the one and only.
So, also like, I never noticed that like island out there before.
Okay, you're meant to be local and you're meant to run off your face. My favourite things personally is the way the waves crash onto the shore.
It's very therapeutic.
I'm so fucking done. Tara, what's your favourite? Flip it over. Tara, what's your favourite thing about Keem? Just answer this question.
You just agreed to answer the question. Alright.
My favourite thing about what, Keem?
Oh, just ice cream up there.
99.
Yeah, pancakes. Yeah, pancakes.
My favourite thing is climbing that mountain.
Oh my god.
Which I've never done. It's so cool.
I have, if you remember, my beach day vlog.
No care to. Oh, please like, subscribe, and comment.
Lake up here.
What's
That's cold.
Yeah, let's go back in the car.
Oh, just over here we have wild tourists, campers making some
prepping some fire.
Be like sacrificing a chicken or something.
Sacrificing chicken.
Or a lamb.
You lads, what are you at? What are you at? We also have a few people down there. Probably very paranoid that we're videoing them. It's a 40% chance it's already raining, right?
So we just finished on Keem Beach now. Now. Yeah, thanks to Maeve's fantastic camera skills. We got some really fun
yeah, so guys, Keem Beach, it's just... Oh, Tara, is it? A blind man in the back.
Where
So
is
funny.
Tap Tap? Hey guys, I was going to say good morning, but like I think you can already tell by my eyes that it's morning time. But I'm going to town today to meet Ruth for a coffee, and you know, I'm going to see my room before I leave. I'll show you what I'm wearing today, because that's the kind of thing I'm going to do now, you know. So I'm wearing this denim over coat jacket thing, don't even know what it's called. And then also a denim shirt. Denim ripped jeans I wear all the time, and my chest boots I wear all the time. Like literally guys, I wear the exact same kind of thing all the time, and like I think this year, when I start making money again in the summertime, I'm just gonna keep buying stuff to actually wear, because like I have so much shit in my closet that like I never wear, because I don't know, I just buy it because I think, oh yeah, well yeah, I'll wear that, like kind of might branch off my style into that. But no, I was wearing the exact same things, either, yeah, it's the exact same kind of things I wear all the time. It's just life, isn't it? But yes guys, I will chat to you when I get to town, I suppose. Oh, I better turn off my TV because, you know, electricity. Where's the fucking remote? Okay guys, so I just picked up my light now for my room, and I finished had coffee with Ruth, and now I'm just about to head home because, you know, it's like coming after 3 and I have still my paddling and everything to my room, so yeah. Okay guys, so before I close off this vlog, I just want to like say thank you to Amy Gunning, I think that's how you pronounce her second name. Earlier on in the week, I think it was it Saturday or Sunday? I think it was Saturday, she posted up on her Instagram story just saying that she reacts to my videos, and like, I'm not even lying, I teared up a bit in work because it just made my like day completely. And yeah, just go, she has also got a YouTube channel, so if you go check that out, it's really good. She went on holidays there and she did a vlog for it, and like you should see the house that she stayed in, like it's crazy cool. So yeah, head over there. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe, and also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.